Rolling.
How are we doing, everyone? I'm Niall, this is Joey, we are the Northern Baristas. Welcome back. Hope you all had a cracking weekend. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. We've got coffee related videos every Monday at 6 PM. Joey, I'm so excited about today's video. What are we doing?
Mate, I am absolutely pumped as well. So, if you're into hot chocolates, this is a right video for you. It's great for the kids if you're struggling to keep them busy, get them involved. It's just great.
It's great for us as well.
We love it, don't we?
We've tried it.
My girlfriend, obsessed with it.
Tastes beautiful. So what do we need? What do we need then?
So we're going to need a bit of milk, French press to do the milk the same way as we do in our milk video at home. Some marshmallows, got to be the big ones. Some chocolate and some chocolate powder.
Blend Smith, 60% cocoa. It's amazing. We'll link that below. But that's an hot chocolate. It's not very ultimate though, is it?
I'm glad you asked. Because I brought my little toy with me.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Yeah, parental guidance
Is
advised. So we'll show you how we're using this later. Check it out.
Medium high heat, milk in, followed by 2 heap spoons of cocoa. Takes about 2 minutes on the pan to heat up. We want about 65 degrees until all the cocoa powder is dissolved. And we start to see it bubbling. It smells amazing. And once you get it to your correct temperature, we're going to stop and we're going to put it in the French press. Beautiful. So we've got a hot chocolate warmed up over there, about 65 degrees, into the French press. And what we're going to do, we're going to, not too aggressively, quite calmly. Takes about 15 or 20. You said double in size, didn't you? That's a good
Michael Doublé in size.
Michael Doublé in size. That's a good sort of guidance to see. As you can see, we're approaching the double in size there, and we're ready to take it off and pour for the ultimate hot choc.
I'll take that for you, mate. Bang it in the sink.
We'll get
there we
spinach
go.
out, leave a cloth around. We're ready to just look at that.
Just leave it just before, because we're going to add some bits now for the fun part, the adults part. Just hold that sec for now.
Again, guys, just be super careful at this bit. It is dangerous. Can be dangerous.
Just going to toast this up. You want to get a nice bit of colour around your marshy.
My mouth's watering already.
And just pop it into your chocolate. Look at that. That
smells.
That's
amazing.
ultimate already.
That is ultimate already.
But it goes one better, right?
Yeah, it does.
Grab your grater. Better if your chocolate's a bit cold. And we're just gonna grate some of this all in and around.
I'll have a touch of that as well.
Niall wants in on this. Bit on there. Bit of salt boo action.
Just look at that.
And that
Incredible.
is the Northern Baristas ultimate hot chocolate. It doesn't get any more ultimate than that, does it, Niall?
Can I have the hands there?
Please, please.
I don't even know how to tackle this
Look
contraption.
at that.
That is so.
Bit more of this.
That is incredible. It just does it. I know it's a little bit more faffy, you might think, but to texturise your milk like that, it's just a complete game changer. It's fun for the kids as well, and
buy good chocolate, buy good marshmallows, and get stuck in. Wow. Get stuck in, just like Niall, guys. Hope you've liked it. We've enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share. We'll see you next time.